How to create own text stickers and send to friends in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is an application in Play Store which is absolutely free named Bubble Keyboard. So you just have to install this keyboard, and as you can see, after you have downloaded this keyboard, you can now create your 3D stickers or also different other stickers and send it to your friends, not only in WhatsApp but in different other apps as well. So since this is a free app, you can just install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and use it to create your own text stickers and send it to your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.